Are you looking to create a stunning nursery or spruce up that family room? With My Wonderful Walls, transform any room from blah to bling. Use our sticker kits for an instant and beautiful room makeover. The colors and quality will blow your mind. If the idea of painting a mural excites you, our jumbo stencil kits make painting a mural both fun and easy. Browse oodles of room makeover images from customers just like you. We have how-to videos and helpful resources. We have designs for babies and kids, grown-ups, for the home, the office, and more. Click on the link or visit mywonderfulwalls.com to get inspired and get it done.